Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ISDone.dll. An error occurred when unpacking an Unarc.dll returned an error code 1 here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then you need to go with settings. So here at the settings, you need to proceed on system, okay? And here you need to scroll down under the system tab and go with about, okay? So the moment you click on it, you'd be able to see all of this. Here you need to look for related links. And as you can see, there are three attached links, okay, here that you can see. Just have to go with advanced system settings, which is placed in the third options. Okay, just have to click on it. And here, the window, which is called System Properties, will appear. Just have to close the settings first so that you can focus in this new window. Okay, so here it has this three options or tab. You need to go with Performance tab. Under that, you can see a button called Settings. You need to click on it so that you would be able to open this new window, which is called Performance Options, where it has this three options. In our case, we'll be proceeding to advanced. Here you need to go with virtual memory and click this changed. Okay. Now, as you can see, the options here are grayed out. Now, in order to set or modify such options, you need to click this to uncheck the box, which is automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and you need to proceed on custom size. Okay. So the moment you have the clicked or marked this circle icon, there you would be able, you can able to set an initial size and you can also set a maximum size. So our initial size will be 100 and our maximum size would be depend on the space available in our computer. And since I have only 17,930 megabytes, so I'll be going to 15. Okay? So the maximum file size, the maximum size would depend on the space available in your computer. So if you have a large space available than mine, if you have something like 60 plus, then you can go with 50 plus. So it would depend on the space available on the maximum size that we need to input here. Okay. So once you're done, click on set. And the moment you click on it, you just have to click on yes when it asks you to confirm. And then you need to restart your computer. Okay. So once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.